Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. This is digital cardboard texture by GFX. You can easily download from the link in the description. Just need to click this link and you will come to my website GFX. And here, this is about the template you're gonna download. And here you can download from here. Just click on download now and just click here and it will start downloading. So I have already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. And here, this is mineral file, so you need to extract this and look at this folder. And here these are cardboard textures, JPG images and PNG images. Just open this, and here 11 textures. These are JPG images of high quality and are almost 11 different cardboard texture. One in white, another in white. So here are PNG format of those images. You can see again they are 11 and 2 white and gray types. Just open this. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.